Hello friends, today's topic is Mendelian Genetics Part 1 video. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. And Telegram channel link is in description box, you can join with us. And now I am going to explain introduction part of Mendelian Genetics. That is, in this video I am going to give very short introduction. Yes, Georg Johann Mendel is a father of genetics. He is an Austrian botanist. Actually, he was born in 1822. He was born in Bern in Austria and he studied at University of Vienna. Actually, he was born in poor family. He worked as a priest. Later, after working as a priest, he studied in University of Vienna. He also studied philosophy, mathematics and physics. Due to his mathematical knowledge only, he could discover laws in heredity. After completing his studies, he returned Bern in 1854. Then, in 1857, he began to collect pea seeds for his experiment. After 7 years of his experiment, he presented his findings in Natural History Society of Bern in 1865. It is very important. Here, important to notice, Mendel conducted experiment for 7 years and he presented in 1865 in Natural History Society of Bern. Okay, and the title of Mendel's paper is Experiments in Plant Hybridization. Now, very important point is this was actually published in the year 1866. The language he published is German language. Later, it was translated into English. And this was the first milestone in genetics in 1866. They will ask first milestone in genetics in which year means 1866. Mendel's results were neglected for 34 years and he died in 1884. After his death of 16 years only, his discoveries were rediscovered. It is very important to note. Please take a note on this. His findings were rediscovered by 3 scientists in 1900. That is Hugli virus from Holland, Karl Cornus from Germany, von Thesemark from Austria. This is an important point to note and questions will be asked from this too. Through Mendel's paper, he had given the theories of heredity which later accepted on worldwide, and this laid a pioneer stone in the field of genetics, and he chose Gordon P. plant for his experiment and he selected 7 characters. This is a Gordon P. plant Pisum sativum. The chromosome number is 2n is equal to 14. Mendel worked on 7 pairs of contrasting characters of P. It is very important, and these 7 traits were present on 4 chromosomes, that is 1, 4, 5 and 7. Please take a note, very important question and frequently asked objective question. And Mendel also worked on 14 genera including Rajma. Rajma is nothing but Phaseolus vulgaris French bean. And these are the 7 characters, that is dominant form and recessive form. Dominant is nothing but they are expressed in F1 generation, that we will see later. Now you please take a note on these characters. Sometimes questions will be asked from these also. First, purple flowers are dominant and white flowers are recessive. Yellow seeds are dominant, green seeds are recessive. Round seeds are dominant, wrinkled seeds are recessive. Green parts are dominant and yellow parts are recessive. Inflated parts are dominant and constricted parts are recessive. Axial flowers are dominant and terminal flowers are recessive. Tall plants are dominant and dwarf plants are recessive. These are the 7 pairs of contrasting characters, and Mendel failed to prove his experiment on Heracinium and honeybee, and he began his experiment on 34 distinct varieties of pea, but he selected only 22 varieties, and from that 7 characters only he chose for his study. Okay, this is important. And what may be the reason for the selection of pea plant? Let's see. That is, pea plant is a self-pollinated crop. Pea flowers are relatively large, so that emasculation and pollination of pea flowers is quite easy. The flower structure of pea ensures self-pollination. This was experimentally verified by Mendel. And the duration of the crop is very important. It is a single season crop, so that every generation he could grow this. pea seeds are large and present no problem in germination. It is very important, and it is easy to grow and it occupies less space. So that only Mendel choose this crop. And important thing is pea plant is a self-pollinated crop. Pisum sativum is a self-pollinated crop, frequently asked question. In addition to Pisum sativum, that is garden pea, Mendel also worked on Rajma, Phaseolus vulgaris. The results are same as pea plant. This is Phaseolus vulgaris, French bean, Rajma. And that's all about today's video. I'll continue the next video. Please subscribe our channel and share. Thank you.